found Dr. Suh through a flyer that came in the mail, and we were looking at that point for a new dentist, and when we saw all his credentials, we thought that it was worth giving it a try. I had really chipped teeth, and I also had some tetracycline staining from my mom taking tetracycline when she was pregnant with me. And there's really nothing that you can do for tetracycline staining in terms of whitening except for veneers. So that was when the flyer came in the mail that said that Dr. Suh was a cosmetic dentist as well as a general dentist. I was looking to pursue that option anyway, to think about doing something to fix my teeth. And so we came in and it started, you know, this was when the economy was starting to tank, and my husband wasn't sure it was something we could afford, and so we waited a little while, and then ultimately I was able to get my veneers, which I'm very happy with, and it's been a really great process. I knew I had found a dentist that I'd probably like. I thought that everything looked very professional. I thought the staff was fantastic. I think they're all very personable. They always remember my name. Even when I was just coming for my cleanings, the whole staff would address me by my first name. And I like the decor in here. I think that they've done a really nice job. It's very relaxing. I like that they have TVs in the room. Helps you relax a lot. Helped me relax a lot. I have a lot of anxiety about dentistry, so that was a real plus for me. I didn't used to have a lot of anxiety with dentistry, but I had a crown on my left lower side here that the last dentist I was seeing had to replace 5 times. And probably about the 3rd time I was in there, I started just getting anxious. You know, it's a long procedure, and it was, you know, I just didn't want to have to go through it again. So when I came in here, and he initially told me that doing the veneers, I also had 2 crowns placed and 3 fillings fixed at the same time. So it was like a 4-hour-long process the first time, and then I had to come back for another about 4-hour process. And when he told me that, it was almost, you know, as much as I wanted the veneers, I almost backed out. And then he told me that they offered this sedation dentistry, and that really, I mean, it was like magic. And you know, the funny thing of it is that he told me that the amount of sedation that I required would be the equivalent of what he would generally give like a 6-foot-tall, 300-pound man. If that gives you any idea of the level of anxiety that I had. But ultimately, I mean, I had no complaints at all. It went very smoothly. I remember it, but I don't remember feeling anything but relaxed through the whole procedure. Well, I have 3 little children who I take to a pediatric dentist right now. They're only 2, 4, and 6. But my husband and I both come here, and when my children get older, we'll certainly bring them here too. We plan to stay with this practice for as long as they're here.